Hey guys, still juggling two remotes just to watch the news? In this year, your Verizon remote should be the only one on your coffee table. If your volume buttons aren't working or the power button won't turn off your TV, your remote has lost its handshake. Today, I'm showing you the also search method to sync any TV brand to your Verizon remote in under 2 minutes. So let's try the fastest way first, using your voice. So just point the remote at your Fios box and hold down the voice button. Then just say clearly, Program Remotes. This triggers the on-screen setup menu. Follow the prompts to select your TV brand, and the box will send a signal to the remote, and you'll be asked to test the volume. If it works, hit yes, and you're done. It's that simple. Then if the voice command fails or you don't have an active internet connection, hold down the play/pause and then 0 buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds until the light on the remote turns solid blue. Point the remote at your TV and keep pressing the play/pause button repeatedly. Every time you press it, the remote tries a different code. The moment your TV turns off, stop pressing. Press the OK button to lock in that code. Then the light will blink twice and you're officially synced. And as you can see, one remote, total control. Alright guys, if this guide helped you out to declutter your coffee table, smash like and subscribe.